In this video, we are going to go over how to add an if-else event in your workflow. So here you can see this is the if-else event. This is going to show different branches based on different conditions. So here's a review of the workflow I have created. My triggers, I have form submit, order submit, and survey submit, sending an SMS. And then here I have my if-else condition, which item was submitted, and then it's going to break down into my different branches and then create action items underneath. So to get started with this, we're going to click on this little plus icon here, do if else, and then here you can change your condition name. So here I did which was submitted, so which form submitted, and then you can change your branch based on your conditions. So I'm going to do form submit, order submit, and survey submit. So I'm basing these off of my triggers. So here, if you click on this, you can create your conditions based on anything you'd like to do. Contact details, custom values, date, time, events, order, workflow contacts, workflow triggers, and then anything that is not a bold text. So all of these, you need to make sure that you have these triggers enabled to be able to use these condition items. So again, for this, I'm going to do workflow trigger. So here I'm going to click workflow trigger is, and then I'm going to do form submitted. So I'm going to go ahead and name this form submit. You can add additional conditions under your branches, or you can create new branches as well. You can also add segments under. So if you want to do workflow trigger is form submitted and maybe contact details, company is, and you can type in a company. So you can customize these as much as you like. You also have the option to do and or. So let's say I want to do workflow triggers form submit, or the company name is so-and-so. You have a lot of different variety when creating these. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and I'm going to add another branch. So here you can see this is going to create this other branch over here. So I'm going to do survey submit. Again, I'm going to go to workflow trigger is survey submit, and then I'm going to add another branch, and I'm going to do order submit. So again, I'm going to go to workflow trigger is order submit. Once you have all of those in, you're going to go ahead and click on save action, and then you'll see your if else created. So I'm going to X out of this because I already have this built out. So then you're only going to see this here. So you'll see your branches, how you name them. So I have form submit, survey submit, order submit, and then you'll also see none. And then from there, you can create additional action items underneath. So for mine, I added tags to tag them based on what they submitted. And then I have action items where I'm sending them SMS, emails, and internal notification to team members.